Hey everybody, game time. Today I've got some 1819 Panini threads. I'm not sure if it comes in any other form. Last year it was retail only, and you got those boxes that they were $20 just like the blaster box, well $19.95, whatever. But they had the 5x7 mem card. Those were pretty, more for like a niche market. As a whole, collectors didn't really embrace those 5x7. I thought they were super cool, but you gotta know they're not really practical. I can see some people getting their favorite players and like displaying those in their like collectibles room or whatever. But other than that, it kind of goes away from what a trading card is, which is something small and handheld that can easily be traded, exchanged, whatever. So it looks like Panini took note of that and has gone back to the traditional form for this year. So with all that said, looks like this has 3 blaster exclusive rookies icons cards. I don't see any kind of guaranteed, look for signature and rookie signatures. It doesn't look like there's any guaranteed hits this time around. So, and these is just one exclusive rookies association card. So I don't know. I mean, when you take it down to where there's not even a hit in it anymore, I understand you going back to traditional form. I mean, those boxes also had regular size cards as well. It had the 5x7, but it also had, traditional cards as well. What does this say? Montrezl Harrell, Chris Paul, Ariza. Yeah, they had cards that looked like these last year too. There's Blake Griffin. That's cool. Look at that rookie with the jersey. That's pretty cool. Jerome Robinson. That's pretty sweet. Board of Directors. Who is this? Blake Griffin again. Harrison Barnes, Swingmen Parallel, Miles Turner, Lou Williams, DeRozan. So that was pack 1. Looks like the back card has a little bit of a bend. Vucevic, LeVert, Irving, Leonard, a parallel of Vince Carter, Lonnie Walker, the 4th rookie, non-parallel version, which is still pretty cool, but the parallel version looks better. Swingman, Klay Thompson, Floor Generals, Kyrie, Donovan Mitchell, and Nurkic. Alright, that's it for those packs. Now let's get into this blaster. Let's see what's going on here. There's some more of the digital packs if anybody wants them. Okay. I personally can't envision a time when people are going to really fully embrace digital cards. I mean, it's all about having it, owning it, having it in hand, grading it if that's your thing. I don't know. Comment below, let me know what you think about digital cards. Could you ever see a time when you think you will be happy to have a card just like on your phone? I mean, because really now, if you go to eBay, you can look at, you could save a photo of just about any card you want on your phone. Alright, DeAndre Jordan, Butler, a parallel, Kevin Durant, and that is numbered out of, hang on, get it in the light just to confirm, out of 10. That's one of the gold parallels to 10. That is sweet. Look at that baby. Number 3 out of 10. Did not expect that. Cool. Durant in motion. And Brandon Ingram. That is a sweet pull from a blaster box. Been having a little bit of luck with retail lately. That's cool. Jamal Murray, Gordon Hayward, a rookie Colin Sexton, Kevin Durant automatic, and Chris Middleton. This is a Kevin Durant box. Cauley Stein, Beal, Shoot to Thrill, Lillard, Joel Embiid, Our Time. Yeah, that looks good. Oladipo. Russell, Osman, Michael Porter Jr. rookie, Jason Tatum, Our Time, non-parallel version, and Gallinari. Jackson, Wade, Shoot to Thrill, Healed, another rookie parallel. Oh, no, it's just a Antetokounmpo, but it has the jersey. That's cool. Yeah, that looks really good. And Aldridge. Westbrook, Porzingis, Lonnie Walker, rookie parallel. In Motion, Westbrook, Lamb. And our last pack. Ben Simmons, Jokic, Chris Dunn parallel, Kyrie Irving, and McCollum. Let's see if it tells what those jersey cards are called. Those are really cool. There's the odds. Base Dazzle, Rookies Icon, Dazzle, 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 Razzle, Dazzle. Shoot to Thrill. I'm not seeing right offhand exactly what that would be called. I don't know. If you know, please comment below and let me know, because there's this, and then there's rookie versions, and then there's parallel versions, but these are really cool. I love these jersey cards, which I know one other Panini brand had these, I think Adonis from like 15, 16 maybe, and they were like die cut. It was super cool. If you know the answer to that, comment below and let me know what product were those in, the little jersey die cuts, because I thought those were just everything. They were so neat. Okay, that's it. 1819 threads. One last thing. I know I've asked a lot of questions. I'm just so crazy busy. I hate to keep making excuses, but I'm like trying to do everything I can possibly do to get all my work done and still do my card stuff too. Is there any other form other than these rack packs and blasters of this? I did not see hanger boxes when I placed my order, but that doesn't mean they don't exist. So if you know of any other, is this it? Blasters and rack packs for threads? Is that all there is? So, all right, everybody, thanks so much for watching. Take care of yourself, and I will see you all again soon.